Alright, good day. My name is BRAVE OVIE, and I am talking from Ghana, Africa. I am here to talk about India School of Ethical Hacking. This is a school that's given me what I have today. I mean, the knowledge I've acquired today. And I was their student 5 years ago when I go for CEH, Certified Ethical Hacking classes. It was amazing. The way their faculty treated me, the way they have time for me, the way they made me understand what I come for, it was a mind blowing. And I am here to advise people. Like currently, I just had another class with India School of Ethical Hacking, which I suppose web development. Today, I'm a full stack developer. I use a lot of tools, something I never believed I could do. So I really want to use this medium to advise the junior student out there. If you are a student under this institution, I mean India School of Ethical Hacking, they are good in cybersecurity. Anything that has to do with security, they are the best. Anything that has to do with intelligence, computerized intelligence, they are the best. If you're a student or if you're an intense student, please go for it. I believe this is what your parents wanted. This is what you wanted. Please don't get yourself worked out. Don't get discouraged. Stop looking around yourself, searching for places to be. Go for India School of Ethical Hacking. They are going to give you the best of whatever you needed. Now, I'm proud of myself today because even as of this moment, I still receive messages from my faculties. Even though I'm done with my classes, they ask me, Mr. Brave, do you want anything? Is there anything you want us to show you? Are you finding any difficulties? Whatever you've learned in the past, I haven't seen such an institution before. So my take here is to advise an upcoming or junior student out there. See, take India School of Ethical Hacking as your first choice, your second choice, your third choice, your only choice. You will never regret it. I'm telling you this, and I can guarantee you, cashback, they are good. They are good. Please go for it. If you're offline student, online student, please, whatever student phases you up, go for India School of Ethical Hacking and thank me later. Thank you.